then I can still see blood. Hey guys, it's Ica. So for today's video, we're gonna try the Kiss Colors Tintation semi-permanent dye, and this one is in the color Cyan. So as you can see, it's like this bright blue color. We're gonna try it out today. I've actually used this brand before at a salon, and we did a pink, or I think it was either pink or rose gold, and it looked really good. Anyways, on the directions, it does say to apply onto shampoo, towel dried hair 1/8 of an inch away from your scalp and process for 15 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. I just washed my hair and it is towel dried, but I should probably brush it first. And I don't brush my hair, so I have a lot of tangles. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so holy. So with me, I have obviously the dye. I have some gloves over here as well, a hair clip, a hand towel, also some wipes in case, like, you know, I make some spill, and yeah. So it does say not to put it on the scalp, so that's good, because then, like, it's gonna be hard to do it by myself. So I'm just gonna put it kind of all over my hair, I guess. I do have like bleach hair, like I had highlights done, so I think that's gonna be interesting how it's gonna look. So let me part my hair, and then we're gonna work from the bottom to the top. My roots are showing so much. Let's see how this goes. Wait. Ah! Can you see that? It's like blue. I definitely messed up already. I feel like I should only use one hand to spread the color. I don't know. Oh, you know what's gonna happen? I feel like I'm gonna run out of color. I feel like, because I have such thick hair, that it's not gonna be enough for my hair. It's also looking kind of green right now, so that'll be interesting. Ah! Shit. Like, I feel like I used so much product already on like this. Like, this is, oh my god, and it's not even enough, because then I can still see blood. Oh, actually, holy shit. This is too hard. It is way too hard to do by myself, and I haven't dyed my own hair in years. How do I even... Oh my god, this is so hard. This is honestly so hard. This is actually so hard. Look at my gloves. Okay, I think that's pretty saturated. I hope. Okay, I think I'm gonna switch to the other side just because I don't want to run out of product and have one side blue and the other side like not blue. I only do have just one bottle, so I'm trying to make it work. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is, okay, yeah, I still have maybe just under a third, so let's do this. Actually, I have quite a bit of product, maybe like this much left in it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stop here. I'm gonna put my hair up, let it process for 15 minutes, and then we're gonna go ahead and wash it off, and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I've just washed my hair, and let's see what it looks like. I can see blue, green. Can you guys see that? It's definitely not even. I can still see some blood, and I think that's just because of like how I put the dye on, but if you had another person or if you get it done in the salon, then I think it's actually gonna be like good. But obviously I don't think it would dye like my dark hair. It only pretty much add color into like the bleached or like light hair. I mean, I can see it. I'm just gonna blow dry it and see what it looks like when it's dry. I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like just blow dried. It's so not even, but that's really on me. That's really nothing to do with the product. It's just my application. But like I said, it's kind of hard to do it on your own, and I have like no experience for like the last like 10 years. But I mean, it's definitely colored obviously because I have bleached hair. But one thing I would say though is that the color isn't like really true to color because it's cyan and it's like bright blue, but it almost looks like a blend between like green and blue. And also another thing is that I'm betting that I'll probably gonna wash off or fade in like a couple weeks, so I'm gonna have to keep you guys updated. Actually, I'm gonna show you in natural lighting one sec. So this is what it looks like in natural lighting. I mean, it's kind of like not bright outside anymore, so it might not even have that much of a difference in effect. Yeah, like I would say that you need a full bottle to dye your whole head. I mean, I still have some leftover, even though like I should have used more, but I do have really thick hair, and for me to be able to just use one bottle, I think that's really good. And I think they were like, they're cheap too. I think maybe like around $10, but I had to order it from the US, so like with shipping and everything, like it costed a little bit more. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!